When your pans become crusty and stained, dish soap alone is not always enough to clean them. Fortunately, there are several tried and true methods to restore the shine of your pans, and you probably already have the necessary cleaning tools at home. One easy option to make your pans look new is by adding a mixture of equal parts vinegar and water to the pan and bringing the solution to a boil to remove burnt spots. Dump out the mixture after boiling and use a long-handed scrub brush to go over any remaining stains while the pan is still hot. You can also combine baking soda and vinegar to make a paste for scouring. Mix the ingredients in equal parts and apply the resulting paste to your pan, focusing on any stubborn spots. After letting it sit for 20 minutes, take a sponge and scrub off the stains. For copper pans, use a soft cloth to rub ketchup and a bit of salt into tarnished areas to restore shine. For heavy-duty pans, use steel wool to scour. Or, in a pinch, you can ball up some tin foil to create a DIY scrubbing tool, adding baking soda or scouring powder to increase your cleaning power if you're dealing with tough stains or grease. If your pans are non-stick, skip the abrasive foil and stick to gentler methods with baking soda or vinegar, finishing off with a microfiber cloth or soft sponge.